Kunyari mangyari itong domestic instability na nangyayari na nga, nagkaroon ng external pressure, let's say may manghimasok sa atin, at tapos nag-escalate ng violence, ang resulta niyan that the Philippines could turn to be a failed state. I mean, ngayon nga parang is a tacit admission the fact that we cannot even handle the prosecution of our own FPRRD. Nangyari naman kay Estrada yon, nangyari naman kay GMA, kinaya naman natin.
GMA,
Bakit?
yeah.
It's not a question nga of that we cannot do it. The current administration was not willing to do it. You know, they outsourced, in-outsource yung justice, which sends really a very very negative signal. And
Can I ask you something on that? We might say na they surrendered him. Isn't it that siguro iniisip na ng current administration, if they're gonna have him there in the Philippines, hindi ba mas magulo? And that's the reason why, okay, dala na lang natin sa labas. Because that's a common, yung naririnig natin sa social media, baka iniisip na, if these things happen like what they did to Estrada, to GMA, lalo na nandyan sa Pilipinas, that could cause a huge problem kasi nandyan, and then you will have more violence in the streets.
Assuming that. But that's the job of a leader. Trabaho ng liderato yan eh. Kaya ka ibinoto dahil ikaw yung magmamanage ng ganon. Ikaw nga yung ikaw yung tinuturing na leader. So ikaw dapat marunong mag-balance niyan. Kaya he has all the king's men and all the apparatus of state. But in spite of that, he did not. No, katulad dito, the fact that the sister is actually questioning the procedures of the Senate sends a very clear signal that something was wrong. Something is wrong. And in fact, when you listen to her, kasi no filter din si Senator Amy. Sabi niya, pinoprotektahan ko lang yung kapatid ko, baka mapasubo. So already you hear narratives na gano'n. Parang there's the implication that there's some people who are blind to the fact that they're doing the wrong thing, and that the brother himself is not capable of, protecting himself. So if that is the implication, I mean, what about his capacity to lead? Nobody's saying hindi magulo. Magulo talaga.
Right.
But that comes with the territory. That comes with the territory. So yung kaya nga sabi, we need a leader who's able to do it. Extraordinary talaga ang kailangan pag liderato ka. The demands are extraordinary. All right.
Parang binaliktad eh. Parang, I don't want to be political. It's like,
no,
but we're talking about politics. Parang binalik si Biden sa Pilipinas eh. In the form of BBM. Sorry.
Well, yeah. By the way,
people making decisions for him at the back, and he himself cannot make his own decision. Anyway, sorry po, but that's just an observation. I might be wrong.
Yeah, well, it's not my call to make comments about another president.
I know.